Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel, and this is a request. This video is a request of one of my subby. So I am doing these videos where I'll be suggesting top 5 pink, red, mauve and all those lipsticks. So far I have done pink and which other color? Orange. And now I'm making mauve and red is coming soon, so don't worry. And if any of you guys want me to target any other particular range, then particular color range, then please let me know. Now, if you want to know which are my top 5 mauve lipsticks, and that too only under 500 rupees, then keep on watching. So, before further ado, and before me talking too much, we'll just get into the video. So, the very first shade which I'm going to talk about is a lipstick which is from the brand Dazzler. Yes, Dazzler, you heard me right. And this is their Dazzler Eterna, and they have not named anything. This is 706, the shade number 706. Now coming towards this shade, the shade which I'm rocking right now is Dazzler 706 from the brand, as I already said, Dazzler, and this is a mauve shade which is beautiful for Indian skin tone girls out there, ladies, women out there. And this is mauve with a hint of pink, and that too very beautiful shade like mauve. And I don't know how to describe, but this is very beautiful shade. And this one was between, I guess, 100 to 150 rupees. I'll put the price in the description box as usual, so don't worry about that. Now coming towards the second shade, which is from the brand Streetwear Color Rich Ultra Moist Lipstick, and this one is 7 Majestic Mauve. As the name says, it's a mauve shade, and this one is a bit violet oriented, as you guys can see. Lavender, violet, I should rather say lavender. This is the shade, and I'll just apply onto my lip and I'll talk about the shade. So as you guys can see, this is the shade. As I've already told you, this is a violet, light violet, lavender slash lavender kind of a shade, and this will be a very beautiful for Indian skin tone females, especially those who are going who are in colleges or even for office. This is a very beautiful shade, and this one is between again 150 to 200. I'll put the prices in the description box, so don't worry. And the best thing about these lipstick is that these are very moisturizing. Even the Dazzler one was very moisturizing, so you don't have to be, when you apply matte lipsticks onto your lip, you get a bit conscious because of that cracky thing, that cracky situation going on to your lip. You don't like that. Even I don't like when it comes to when I'm in office and all those things. I don't like that thing about the matte lipsticks, whereas these are very comfortable and very affordable. So thumbs up. Now, before wiping up, the third lipstick is from the brand Maybelline, and this is Maybelline Color Show Creamy Matte Lip Color. It says it's matte, but it is creamy at the same time. That means this is semi-matte. And the shade which I am in love with is Lively Violet. So this is the shade, and this one is mauve with a bit of nude pink, and this is amazing shade. Let's try and then we'll talk about the shade. Now third lipstick, as I already told you, is Maybelline. So as you guys can see, this is the lip color. This is like my lips but better kind of a shade, and this is very beautiful. Even the fragrance is too good. I love it. I love the color, I love the pigmentation, and the moisturizing part is again a yeah for me, because I love that when it comes to moisturizing my lips. And apart from that, this one is again less than 500 rupees, so don't worry about that. And now the fourth lipstick, I was about to say last lipstick. The fourth lipstick is again from the brand Maybelline, and this one is Maybelline Make Me Pink. Make Me Pink. So as you guys can see, this is the shade. This shade is definitely a bit similar to the one which I'm wearing right now, but it has more pink in it. So let's just swatch onto my lip. So as you guys can see, this is the shade. This one is definitely lighter than the previous shade, but this is very pretty shade because it has very little hint of violet into this lip shade. If your complexion is a bit dark, then probably this will not show up, but if you are like me, then probably and more fairer compared to me, like in fair category, then this will be a perfect shade for you. But it is very beautiful. I really like it. Thumbs up for this shade. Now coming towards the last shade, which is from the brand Color Bar Classic Mauve, and this is the shade. Now compared to rest of them, this is surely a bit darker, as you guys can see, and it really has a purple hint in this. So let's just put it onto the lip and then we'll talk about it. So as you guys can see, this is the shade. This is definitely darker among all the shades which I have tried, and if you are looking for a dark mauve lipstick, then this is absolutely great for you. I like the moisturization part. Apart from that, the way it enhances my complexion. At the same time, it is very wearable. So that is the take of my favorite mauve lipstick. Now talking about the lipsticks, like I have tried to cover from light mauve to a bit darker, which are more towards daily wearable shades. I have not went into very dark shades because I wanted it to be very wearable, so that you guys can wear it in your office, in your colleges and all those places. So if you like the video, please don't forget to thumbs up, and if you like me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would be grateful to you. At the last, I'll say take care and stay pretty.